Meet the LYZRC L300 Ultra, a surprisingly affordable camera drone that brings GPS navigation, dual cameras, and even a built-in display, all for under $100. But is this budget flyer too good to be true? Let's find out. Out of the box, the L300 Ultra looks like a serious piece of gear. It's compact but slightly heavier than typical entry-level drones, weighing in at 356 grams, meaning it doesn't qualify for sub-250-gram regulations in most regions. One standout feature? The controller. It comes with a built-in touchscreen, so you won't need to mount your smartphone. That's a huge convenience for quick launches. Still, the drone also supports app connectivity if you prefer more advanced settings. Camera-wise, you get a dual lens setup, a front-facing camera that records 1080p video and takes 4K stills, and a downward-facing 720p lens. Just keep in mind, while 4K stills sounds impressive, image quality is average at best. This drone is more about fun than filmmaking. Performance is decent for its class. GPS keeps it relatively stable in open areas, and return to home works as advertised. Official specs boast a range of 800 meters and a max altitude of 120 meters, though interference can cut that down considerably. The base model ships with one battery and no obstacle avoidance. Upgrade to the $124 version and you get two batteries and a basic obstacle detection module that mounts on top, but don't expect high-end precision. Battery life is rated at 28 minutes, but real-world use usually hovers around 20 to 23. For context, even DJI's entry-level Mini Neo starts at $200, double the price of the L300 Ultra. But with that comes much better stability, camera quality, and app experience. The LYZRC L300 Ultra is an impressive little drone for under $100. It's not perfect, the camera has limits, and it won't handle strong wind well, but for beginners or hobbyists who just want to get in the air without breaking the bank, it's a solid entry point. Just keep your expectations grounded. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for updated pricing and links.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.